The idea that perfect families are just a facade is a notion that challenges everything you thought you knew about the American dream. In Kevin Wilson's book Nothing to See Here, this concept is explored in a way that will leave you questioning everything. You'll be forced to confront the reality that even the most flawless families can be hiding secrets that are just as shocking as they are relatable. Nothing to See Here is a novel that delves into the complexities of human relationships and the power of love and friendship. The book is written by Kevin Wilson, a masterful storyteller who weaves a tale that is both poignant and thought-provoking. And the best part is that you can listen to the full audiobook completely free using the trial link in the description below. One of the most significant insights from the book is that true loyalty and friendship can come from the most unexpected places. For instance, the protagonist, Lillian, forms a deep bond with two children who have the unique ability to spontaneously combust, and this bond changes her life forever. This concept is further explored as Lillian navigates her complicated past and learns to open up to those around her, teaching you that your most meaningful relationships might be with people you least expect. If this is resonating with you, don't wait, grab the full audiobook free using the link in the description. Another crucial lesson from the book is that embracing your true self, no matter how unusual or flawed you may be, is the key to finding happiness and acceptance. This is beautifully illustrated through the characters' experiences, showing you that it's okay to be different and that your quirks are what make you special. The book also highlights the importance of human connection in a world that often seems to value perfection over authenticity. This is a powerful reminder that you are not alone in your struggles and that there are people out there who will accept and love you for who you truly are. The free trial link is waiting for you right in the description below. Click it, start listening today, and transform your life.